All right, so just landed here, Reddick Brown Ford, 2024 Shelby F-150 Off-Road Edition, 785 horsepower, Oxford white, blue stripes. This is the classic clean Shelby look. We're gonna take it out for a quick review. You gotta watch this video. This is Oxford white with blue stripes, 2024 Shelby F-150 Off-Road Edition. So our signature Shelby F-150 front end has slightly changed. Ford redesigned the front end of our F-150 truck, so you're gonna see some slight changes. Our dual intake functional ram air hood with your honeycomb insert here, and you've also got your hood vents as well. Oxford white painted to match part, and your blue racing stripes from Shelby. It's going to be integrated all the way from the front bumper all the way to the rear side of the tailgate. We're going to see our new headlight housing area here on the F-150 for 2024, which means we've got a brand new front grille with your honeycomb design and your Shelby Super Snake logo up front. So we're going to see our new front bumper area, honeycomb insert, your Shelby lettering here integrated inside that front bumper. New restyling on our front end and our fog lights. This is a great new signature look. We've also got our front license plate bracket already assembled. For those of you that need your front license plate bracket, there is our new solution for 2024. Now we're going to see painted to match parts on the entire truck. The quality is absolutely impeccable. Our fender flares are all four corners, Oxford white. Great design, gives it that off-road look. You've got your BDS suspension upgrades, your Fox shocks. So you've got your dual speed control Fox shocks, BDS suspension. It's a 3.5-inch lift. You've got your BFG 35-inch KO2 tires wrapping the beautiful high gloss black wheel. Fender badge here, the Shelby F-150 Off-Road Edition. So that way we know this is the Off-Road Edition. This year we've only got the F-150 Off-Road 4-door lifted, and we've got the Shelby Super Snake F-150 4-door lowered. There is not a 2024 Super Snake Sport F-150 2-door. Sadly, they're not building that chassis. So we've got our painted to match side mirrors and your door handles. You've got your side mirror spotlights here as well. You've got your Shelby lettering, and so we've got some new Shelby graphics and badging for the 2024 model year. So blue racing stripe down the side, 785 horsepower. Now you've got your keyless door code here and your integrated key fob that's going to allow you, the intelligent fob is going to allow you to have that in your pocket or on your person. You'll be able to walk up to the door, put your hand in and unlock it. You don't have to click on your key fob. It will know that you're close. Your power running boards, this is standard on all the Shelby F-150 Off-Road Edition. So the power deployable running boards fall down pretty low, easy access to get inside the truck. Now, we're sitting at about 83, 84 inches tall. A lot of people ask that question. So you've got to be a little bit higher than your 7-foot garage door height to be able to get this in. So 83, 84 inches tall. This does come equipped with a 36-gallon fuel tank. So you have that. It's going to give you some peace of mind having that option. You're going to need to be able to put 91 octane in, 93 if you can find it, to be able to get your best performance out of the truck. So you've got your painted to match tonneau cover that's going to have your racing stripe on the top. So clean, sleek design here on your tonneau. So you've got two keys to unlock your tonneau cover. Make sure that the unlock button follows vertically with the stripes. We'll open that up. You've got a pull handle here. This truck actually does have your tailgate assist. So carpet lined, Velcroed inside, clean inside of the box. That way you can store all your valuables. And you've also got your tailgate assist as well. So easy use of your tailgate assist. We have seen some of the chassis do not come equipped with that option. And it's powered up as well. So just a slight pull on your tailgate, it will actually close that tailgate and lock that for you. You've got your rear facing camera as well, so clean view, and I'll show you the dash. We've got a new integrated front dash. It looks real clean. Pull handle, and we'll lock. So you'll notice your racing stripes are going to go all the way to the back side of the tailgate. We've got new Shelby badges. So our badging, the 3D badging that you've got, little slight redesign here, trailer tow package, and your BORLA exhaust. You've got a dualed out BORLA exhaust. The sound is absolutely amazing. The best yet in 2024, new BORLA tuned exhaust. You got to hear this. Okay, so let's take a look inside the cab and see what we've got, and then we'll let you take a peek underneath the hood. All right, so we're inside the cab of the 2024 Shelby F-150 Off-Road Edition, and what we love about this, number one, we've got some new styling from Ford on our new dash. It seems like in the last 3 or 4 years, Ford has totally cleaned up, elongated the dash, made everything really easy to get to and easy to use. You're gonna notice a slightly new front dash on the F-150 for 2024. Still gonna see your carbon fiber accent all throughout your trim level. So you've got carbon fiber inside. You are gonna have your digital cluster and your large center stack screen, so 12+ inch center stack screen. The great new options that we've got for 2024, we've got heads up display. It's going to display your temperature, your miles per hour, and your time. So you've got heads up display. You can disable that if you want to. The truck has adaptive cruise control, makes it easy for you to drive if you've got a little bit longer drives. Speed sign recognition, a lot of new integrated technology into our trucks now. So you get that in the Shelby F-150. Leather wrapped steering wheel that does have your carbon fiber throughout, and all of your controls here are right at your fingertips to be able to adjust volume, Bluetooth, hands-free, lane keeping assist, all those options. You do have your front-facing camera up front and your parking assist as well. So you've got those options here to be able to see your 360-degree view and your front-facing camera view as well. You've got Pro Trailer Backup Assist. You've also got, this is a 4x4 four-wheel drive chassis, and you've got your selectable drive modes right here just in front of your front right knee to make those adjustments. Most everything you're going to be able to do is here on your center stack screen, from your audio functions, Sirius XM radio, your phone. You've got built-in navigation on the screen as well. Apps that you can download and integrate, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Waze, etc. And under your features, your owner's manual is going to be here digitally. We don't get a printed copy anymore. A lot of people ask about that. You've got your owner's manual here where you can search through visual categories, video, how to. It's all there and makes it real clean and easy to use. Your temperature gauges and your volume controls are here. They're analog, and you've got your heated steering wheel, which is back for 2024. You've got heated and cooled both front seats as well. You've got your 12-volt and your 120 here. And starting in 21, we've got our second smaller glove compartment that you can use. So you've got two now for any type of storage. Now you've got your collapsible center shifter here, two cup holders in the rear behind your center console. And this is your badging from Shelby. So you've got your serial number. This is serial number 69 out of the total build for 2024. Huge center console with a tray included. And this chassis just so happens to have our interior work surface as well. So great option there. We've got our Shelby covered upgraded leather seats, black with your red piping and stitching, Shelby lettering on the back side. They're perforated here. That way you can still allow for heating and cooling. And your B&O Unleashed stereo system, it's going to have your perforations in your headrest. That is for your speaker that's inside your headrest. Your rear seats are also covered, have the Shelby upgraded leather, and those are heated too. Twin panel moonroof, beautiful twin panel moonroof, allows you the access to be able to enjoy that beautiful crisp fall and spring. Right now it's hot, so a lot of people are keeping this closed. So you've got a little tilt option, and you can open it as well. You've got your power rear sliding glass too. So a lot of luxury, a lot of style, a lot of performance, sound quality, carbon fiber, technology, the Shelby F-150 off-road for 2024. This is an incredible new design, increased horsepower. We've got a more raspier exhaust sound, a better transmission tune from Whipple. Let's take a look under the hood and see where all that power comes from. All right, so under the hood, we've got Ford's 5-liter V8 engine variant. We've got 10-speed transmission. This is where we're gonna see Whipple's new generation 3-liter Whipple supercharger, powder-coated Ford Racing Blue. We've got our oversized carbon fiber air intake tube. They've upgraded throttle body, fuel injector, spark plugs to get the performance that they need to get to that 785. Now, Whipple has a new tune this year, so we're gonna see some lower end torque power. It's gonna be seat of the pants feel. It's impressive. We just took it out for a quick test drive and enjoyed that new performance. You're gonna love it. The sound is amazing from BORLA. So all new design here on the 2024 Shelby F-150 off-road. For those of you that have questions, 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all the Ford and the Shelby components. They've made it easy for ownership, including labeling everything, warranty information, spark plug gaps, everything that you need to be able to service and maintain your Shelby vehicle to keep the value that you need, keep it running clean and performing at optimal performance. Listen, I'm Brock Patterson, National Specialty Vehicle Manager here at Reddick Brown Ford, America's #1 Ford Performance and Specialty Vehicle dealership. We do it right. We'd love to help you get your new Shelby F-150 truck. If Oxford White is not your color of choice, we've got a lot more arriving for 2024. Jump in, reach out to us. You can call me or text me direct, 615-397-3331, or if you want to email me, if that's easier, brock.patterson@reddickbrown.com. Be sure to take a look at all of our social media channels at Reddick Brown Ford and take a look at what I've got online at Brock Patterson. Listen, thanks a lot for viewing. We appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.